Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products for all your needs. Today, we're diving into one of the best heavyweight page protectors on the market, the Avery Heavyweight Diamond Clear Sheet Protectors. These protectors are an absolute game changer when it comes to safeguarding your documents, photos, and important materials. Whether you're organizing your work, school projects, or archiving family photos, these page protectors have you covered. The first thing you'll notice about the Avery Heavyweight Sheet Protectors is their diamond clear finish. This gives you high clarity, so you can easily view the contents of your documents without any distortion. This is especially important if you're using them for presentations, reference materials, or any documents you need to keep looking pristine. With these protectors, your documents stay protected but still accessible and easy to read. One of the standout features of these page protectors is the easy load technology. Unlike traditional protectors, these come with a wider opening at the top, making it incredibly easy to insert and remove your documents. Gone are the days of struggling to fit your papers inside narrow openings. Just slide them right in with ease. This makes it perfect for frequently referenced documents that you want to access quickly without any hassle. These sheet protectors are also made from non-stick polypropylene, meaning they won't lift or transfer ink from your documents. They are acid-free and archival safe, ensuring that your papers, photos, and records stay in great condition for the long term. The material is also incredibly durable, so you don't have to worry about them tearing or wearing out quickly, even if they're being handled frequently. If you're concerned about the environmental impact of your office supplies, you'll be happy to know that Avery's sheet protectors are made with a focus on sustainability. These protectors are not only reliable but also safe for long-term storage, making them perfect for everything from important business documents to personal photos you want to preserve for years to come. In addition to their durability and functionality, these Avery sheet protectors are versatile. Use them to organize everything from recipes, reference materials, legal documents, to even artwork or trading cards. They are designed to hold 8.5 by 11 inches documents, which is the standard size for most papers, making them an ideal choice for most office and school needs. So, if you're looking for a product that combines durability, clarity, and ease of use, the Avery Heavyweight Diamond Clear Sheet Protectors should definitely be on your list. Whether you're organizing your documents at home, at work, or in school, these protectors will ensure that everything stays safe, secure, and easily accessible. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.